What's up guys, welcome to a new vlog. It is Sunday. Me and Sean are in the car right now. We're starting off our Sunday by going to get a bagel, which is one of my favorite ways to start off a Sunday or a weekend day. We're gonna head to Blue Sky Bagels right now. Welcome to a new vlog. Can't wait for this bagel. It's gonna be so dank. I've been enjoying the new couch so much, you guys. I actually had two friends that were on a road trip that came by Boise last night. So me and Sean were sleeping in my room, and then they were able to both sleep on the couch. I wouldn't normally be able to fit two people until having this couch. So if you guys didn't see the vlog before this where we put together the couch and like rearrange the house a little bit, I'll link it up here. The dogs are walking around excited because we just got home and fed them. I've been just really lounging, enjoying it so freaking much. I haven't brushed my hair today. I kind of do look like a mess, but it's a Sunday. What can you do? Got my Snoop Dogg t-shirt on. Doggies! Is anyone gonna hang out with me? They're here! Yes. As you can tell, the dogs really enjoy the couch too. Smokey's really trying to nuzzle his scent into it, I think. He's been doing this since we put it together. Are you a silly goose? Babe, Smokey's obsessed with the couch. Alright, not that many exciting updates since I last vlogged, but I've been doing a little bit of editing. I'm editing the vlog from yesterday that I filmed. I put you on top of my coffee. Perfect. Not that good of lighting, but yeah, just kind of finishing this up right now. My computer does not want to restart, but it really needs to restart. Binder can't quit because some operations are still in progress. What's still in progress though? I don't... Okay, anyway, I'll see you guys when I'm having some more progress because this is frustrating me right now. I have a little bit of a haul for you guys. I've gotten some stuff from Urban Outfitters in the mail over the past, like I think this stuff came sometime this week. I thought I would do a little unboxing haul for you guys. I have already like opened the package and seen the items, but it's still kind of like an unboxing haul, right? It still counts because I got the box it came in right here. So these are some pieces for like end of summer / going into fall. I really like all the pieces I got. I'm actually gonna try them on for you guys as well, because seriously, I feel like I can't do a haul anymore without doing a try on haul. This is obviously just vlog style. It's not gonna be professional or anything. I'm just gonna kind of like try on everything really quickly for you guys after I show it to you all, but hey, it's all good. And these pieces are all from Urban Outfitters, and you can find links to all of them in the description box of this video if you like any of them. I wanted to give a shout out to Urban Outfitters for working with me for this video. So we got some good stuff. Let's get into the haul. Okay, the first thing I got is it's gonna look a little bit weird until I try it on because I have all of the buttons undone right now, but is this cute little mini dress with it completely just buttons all the way up. I chose the olive green shade because kind of like the way this green color looks with my hair color. I think that it could have maybe gone one size down. I read the reviews of this dress and everybody said it ran small and to go a size up. So I ordered like a size up of what I would normally wear. I think it's gonna fit perfectly once I end up washing it, because you know how stuff like this always seems to either shorten or get smaller when you wash it. Okay, next thing I got is a pair of mom jeans, and these are just a basic black pair from the Urban Outfitters brand BDG. They're a mom high-waisted tapered leg. So they look like these, and I actually rolled up the bottoms a little bit because I just kind of like rolling up my jeans at the bottom, and these don't have any rips or holes or anything, which I kind of like. I might cut some slits in the knees, but I also might just keep them plain because it's like a classy pair of jeans, you know what I mean? I love the high-waisted fit. I go with freaking everything because they're black. I've actually never, I don't know if I've ever even owned a mom jean before. I've had boyfriend jeans, which kind of like a similar fit, but a mom jean, I honestly think that's my first pair of official mom jeans. Okay, next thing I got is a little, I think this is called like the paperboy hat, or maybe I just made that up, but this one is by Brixton. and it's called the Fiddler Cap. Try it on for you guys, even though I'm literally just wearing my Snoop Dogg shirt right now, so it's not gonna really go with my look. But I absolutely love hats like this. I have one in red. Yeah, it doesn't really go with my outfit right now with my freaking Snoop Dogg t-shirt. I've literally been in my pajamas all day. What I like about this hat are the little details, like how it has the little button and then kind of like the string, the braided string on the front. And these hats actually come in various sizes, which I don't know why I thought it was weird that hats come in different sizes, but I went with a small. I don't know, I think I have a normal sized head, and I would say the small fit pretty good. I was so confused when I was ordering. I was like, wait, I guess I could measure my head, but like I've never ordered a hat in a size before. I feel like every hat I have is just you adjust it, but I think I chose a good size for that one. This is a skirt, also from BDG, which is like the Urban Outfitters denim brand, and this I have actually already tried on, and I ordered it too big. You guys will see in the try on, it's like way too freaking big on me. Normally I wear like a small or medium in skirts that don't have like an actual waist measurement, because I like to wear it high-waisted, so sometimes a small works better on me, even though I usually wear like a size medium in most clothes. I was reading the reviews on the skirt, and everyone said go a size up, it runs really small. So I was thinking like, damn, if I get a medium, that probably like will still be too small on me. I should go a size up and get a large, because I'm usually a medium. So I got the large, but the large is definitely too big on me, so I'm gonna exchange this. I think I'm gonna go down to a medium, but I'm wondering like, should I get a small or should I get a medium, because I feel like it's so big, and I want it to be high-waisted. I guess I'll just get a medium, and then I can always belt it if it's still a little bit too big. Next thing, I'm obsessed with this. I absolutely love this. This is a Champion cap, like a little dad hat, and it's the cutest freaking, this matches a little bit better with my vibe with the Snoop Dogg shirt. It's just a little pale yellow color, just has the Champion logo on the front, and then it says Champion on the back, and I love the color of this. I think it fits freaking perfectly. This is one of my favorite things that I got. I love a good hat. All right, next, I think this is so freaking pretty. This is a little tie front blouse with flowy sleeves, and it has a white star print on it. I'll get close so you guys can see the little stars. And then it's just tie front, like I said. This is so freaking beautiful. This also I think runs a little bit big. I was reading the reviews once again online, and I decided to, well, I got a size medium because like I said, I usually wear a size medium. This is better for it to be bigger, and you can like tie it in more tight rather than it being smaller and you just like can't even fit into it. So that's one of my favorite things that I got. I think it's so beautiful, and it's gonna go amazing with the black high-waisted pants and the high-waisted skirt once I exchange that. I'm gonna back up to show you guys this next item because it's kind of long. So this is a little jumpsuit. They had this in several different colors and patterns online. It almost looks like an animal print. It buttons up in the front, and then it just has like really flowy legs. The back is kind of open and ties at the front here. And what did I think I did a medium in this. Yeah, I went with a medium in this, and I really like the way that this fits. If you guys are about that jumpsuit life like I am, I've gotten really into them this summer. Urban Outfitters has a ton right now online. So that's the end of my order. So that's my little Urban Outfitters haul. I kind of wanted to show you guys this in a vlog rather than like hold it off for a haul video. So if you guys are interested in anything that I showed, I'll have the links to all of it in the description box below. Sean's taking a nap right now, and after I am done with all this, I'm gonna wake him up and we're gonna make dinner together. We're gonna make our favorite meal for dinner. We're gonna grill. I'm so excited. So I'll show you guys what we end up making for dinner. And yeah, we're just gonna have like a chill little date dinner night in. All right, we're in the kitchen. I'm filming this on my phone right now, by the way, so the quality is gonna be a little bit less good, not as good. But we're about to start cooking. Sean's just waking up from a nap, and I'm like hyped up on coffee, so we're like opposite energy levels right now, but it's dinner time. I even have a little apron on. I always had this apron in my drawer, but for some reason I never remember to wear it. Maybe if I had it hung up in my kitchen, I would actually remember. I'm gonna show you the veggies you need for this. And this isn't gonna be like a full cooking how-to, but I will link the kebab recipe that we follow in the description box of this It's my favorite kebabs I've ever had. We make them with the chicken, like the recipe suggests, but if you don't eat meat, or sleepy boy, crazy hair, if you don't eat meat or you're vegetarian or vegan, you can totally make these just without the chicken. They have sweet potatoes and onions and bell peppers, which is pretty much a dank enough kebab. You can totally substitute something for the chicken if you don't like that or if you don't eat that. These are the veggies that we like to use. So we do corn on the cob on the side when we make this dish, usually, because we like to grill corn on the cob, but you totally don't need that for this dish. You can just do the kebabs. We use sweet potatoes. It's kind of up to you how much you want to use. I usually like to do 2 sweet potatoes, a sweet white onion, and then bell peppers are actually not in the recipe, but we add these because we think it adds a lot of color and flavor to the kebabs. So we usually like to do an orange and a yellow, but you can do red or green or whatever the freak bell peppers you like. So that's pretty much all the veggies. I'm gonna start prepping these, cutting them up, and getting them ready in kebab shape. Besides the corn, we're gonna do the corn separately, and then Sean's gonna get started on the chicken. Sneaky little tip that you should do if you are making kebabs is put your skewers, this isn't really a sneaky tip, it literally says on the side of the skewers to do it, but I always forget to do it. Soak your skewers for like 20 or 30 minutes before they go on the grill, or they will get really burned and scorched. So you just soak them in some water. I just use a pan like this, and it's perfect size. I'm gonna chop these veggies and talk to you guys after that. Spices that go in a little spice rub that we make for all the ingredients. So I just did that. I made my spice rub. Sorry I couldn't film that. I was looking at the recipe on my phone, but it's all good. It's pretty easy to do. You literally just mix all the spices, and then you mix the honey and a little teensy bit of apple cider vinegar separately, and that creates this glaze that when the kebabs are grilling, you just brush this over the top of them, and it gives them the most amazing, like, sweet, juicy flavor. So we have all of our veggies tossed with half of the spice rub, and then our chicken tossed with half of the spice rub, and also just drizzled in some olive oil. You always want to do that before you grill. And now I'm just going to start assembling all of the kebabs. Guys, important step, I forgot about the sweet potatoes. So those just went on the stove for 5 minutes, then you drain them, and they get like partially cooked, so they're easy to put on the skewer, and then they grill perfectly. So you actually add these into the vegetables. We're gonna just do like a little bit more olive oil, and then I'm gonna toss them with the spices that are already in here. Now we're actually assembling the kebabs with the sweet potatoes. All right guys, we have finally got all the kebabs assembled. This is a little peek of what they look like. This is kind of when we started running out of things at the end. These are the more full ones. And I've gotta, of course, take a peek at what's already on the grill. They look so beautiful. This is the sauce that you just, not drizzle, but like brush them with. Got our corns on the cob. So the first few of the kebabs just came off the grill. They are freaking beautiful. Oh my God. I'm actually gonna keep them warm while we wait for the other ones to be done, and then we'll sit down and have our cute meal. Cleared off the table. We're gonna be trying this beer. This was from yesterday's vlog, if you guys remember. We actually haven't tried it yet. The Delirium Nocturnum with the pink elephant. So we're gonna try that tonight. Well, guys, we're going in right now. The corn is so juicy. We've got our beer. What's our thoughts on the beer? What's your thoughts?
Yeah, it's like interesting.
Would you say it's hoppy?
It's not hoppy at all, which is funny because it's like 8.5% alcohol content, which is insane for a beer. It's extremely high. And it's like sweet. There's almost no aftertaste too. Like with it. Is it not brewed with hops or something?
But the label's cool. The label's the coolest part of it.
I know. I showed it off like a million times. All right, you guys, that is pretty much all the footage I got last night and yesterday. So this is going to be the end of this vlog. If you guys enjoyed this vlog, give it a thumbs up, and I will definitely be just continuing to vlog this week. It feels really good to be back in the vlogging game. I hope you guys have been enjoying. Thank you for leaving me comments. I love reading your comments on every video, no matter, even if it's just saying hi or popping in to say a quick like one word. I love hearing from you guys. I will see you very soon in another vlog or another video really soon, and that's about it. Bye guys.
So you say you wanna get away. We don't need a plane, I could be your escape.